I love how it like stimulates my brain and how many people are like so creative. When you really see that creative part of them and then you combine your creativeness with theirs, it really like opens up a whole new level of knowingness in your life.
I get to come up with my own ideas with my team and make something that I want to make.
What I like about Camp Invention is that it's always helping you with your imagination, giving you great ideas that can help change the world.
I love that there is a place for me to like show my inventions and my thoughts, and it's fun.
I like Camp Invention because it's different and you get to try out and learn new things. And it's like a different experience.
I really like everything about Camp Invention.
It doesn't always have to be the best of the best when you're working on something at first. It can just be what you think is great.
I learned that when you're prototyping, it always doesn't have to be perfect.
You really have to take these things that you think are just normal, the things that you use in your everyday life. You don't think they can really have an impact on you, and you don't think they really do that much until you do Camp Invention. Things we would use in our normal life, but we never would think that you could use them to invent something so neat, so creative, and so amazing.
Camp is better with friends because it's meant for multiple people and it makes camp more fun. You get to build stuff with them and like hang out with them.
I would definitely bring a friend to Camp Invention because then you might know some people and it might feel more comfortable to you.
Because you get to hang out with them because you already know them, and they could also make new friends with you.
I will bring a friend to camp because we can experience more things together.
It's just better with friends because friends are fun and you know them.
I think every person in the whole world should come to Camp Invention.